main screen turn on. It's you.
How are you, gentlemen? All your base are belong to us. You are on the way to destruction.
What you say?
You have no chance to survive, mate. Your time. Ha ha ha.
Sup everybody, Final Boss here, where all your bases are belong to us. We cover all your bases at Final Boss, and today we're covering crypto again, our weekly update. Today I'm going to share my crypto allocation, personal holding, and I'm not going to share how much of each coin I have or my total holdings. I'm just going to share the percentage so that it may help you, whether you have a lot of money or not, to potentially use your holdings to kind of follow my model, or be more conservative or be more risk-taking in your holdings. But I think my model could be helpful because I want you guys to learn from my mistakes and do better. Do better, guys. Okay? Do better. Those who learn from their own mistakes are wise, but those who learn from others' mistakes are even wiser. So learn from my mistakes and be wiser than I am. Okay, guys? Alright, so without further ado, today I'm going to talk about my number one holding, which is Bitcoin. I have roughly 50% of my portfolio's value is in Bitcoin. It fluctuates a little bit here and there, but overall it's about 50% right now. And the reason why I hold so much Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is king. And my goal at the end of it all is to hold more Bitcoin. I'll tell you guys a story. In 2017, I bought a bunch of Bitcoin. I mean, not like 100 Bitcoin or anything like that. I bought some Bitcoin, whatever I could afford. And by that time, it was still already expensive. But, you know, I bought some Bitcoin and I got so excited during the bull run because I was researching all these alts and all these projects and all these use cases and everything, which they didn't really have. But I got so excited by these logos and all these projects, I started buying these stupid altcoins at ridiculously high prices. And I bought a lot of them near the top. And I said, I'm going to HODL for life. And all these all started dropping. Like Bitcoin, as we know it, it dropped 4 to 5x from 20,000 to about 4,000, something like that, right? During the bear market. But these alts, some of them dropped from $300, $400 to like $3. Some of them literally dropped 100x. So you could imagine what the Bitcoin value of all these, my holdings, would be, right? So Bitcoin value dropped a lot. So roughly today, I have about half the amount of Bitcoin in crypto value, in Bitcoin value. Half the amount of crypto in Bitcoin value than I had if I were to have bought Bitcoin and not bought any alts at all. So that's why I hold so much Bitcoin, and my strategy is to, during alt season, peak alt season, to sell more of my alts to buy more Bitcoin. All right. So my second holding is Ethereum. The reason why I like Ethereum is because Ethereum is where the platform in which you build everything today. You're talking about dApps, decentralized apps, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, collectibles, signatures, digital signatures, decentralized finance, DeFi, whatever you want to build, whatever you want to develop, Ethereum is the platform. That's the way to go. So the only bad thing about Ethereum is the fees is so dang high.
It's too damn high.
It's too dang high. You're spending $100 to send some Ether, and it's too dang high. It's not worth it at times, right? So that's the only drawback. But even in this drawback, it's pretty cool because since the London hard fork, Ethereum, whenever it is sent or received, there's a little bit of Ethereum that is burnt, which is going to be gone forever, which means Ethereum right now, whenever it's used, is deflationary. A little bit of ETH is being disappeared every time it's used. So that's pretty cool. Speaking of which, this is tried and tested and true platform Ethereum is. But here's something that's about to launch. ADA, which is our third highest holding, is ADA. And Cardano is the company that has the ADA coins. And Cardano is so special because it is like Ether, but the new version of Ether. And this platform, I think, is going to be huge. It's going to be launched, the mainnet is going to be launched on September 12th, I believe. And ADA will be, we'll see what happens. It's going to be very exciting. And ADA is pumping like crazy right now. So I'm actually thinking about selling a little bit of my ADA for more Bitcoin. But we'll see. The fourth highest holding is Theta. And Theta is cool because Theta is actually a channel, streaming TV service similar to YouTube, but it has a different niche following. It's really big on poker. It's really big with comic, anime, game streaming. It's got a bunch of different niches, like crypto is one of them as well. And you could actually create an account and start streaming content on this platform. That's pretty cool because you get paid in T-Fuel. T-Fuel is a coin to Theta's platform, and you get paid through this. And yeah, it might be interesting because Theta has a lot of big backers. Google, Samsung, Sony are three of the big ones. So I don't think they're going to invest in something that sucks, right? So another fun fact is one of the founders of YouTube is actually the founder of Theta TV. So they have some heavy hitters. Theta's a big project. Look out for Theta. Okay, guys? The final slice of our pie is assorted crypto. And these are coins that are like DOT, Link, we got XLM, XRP, like all these other coins. I have a little bit of Doge. All these other coins I'm going to keep in the last 10%. And this is something you could just kind of experiment with different things. But essentially, I would prefer to hold 80% to 90% Bitcoin. That is my goal for by the end of this bull run. I want to hold 80% Bitcoin, and the rest of the altcoins I want to sell near the all-time highs. I'm going to try to time it, but I'm not going to time it perfectly. So we'll see what happens, but that is my goal, and I hope this could help you to kind of figure out what you want to do with your portfolio this bull market. Okay, guys? So check out my Atomic wallet. I'm going to share right now. See you soon. Alright, guys, here's my crypto portfolio for Atomic Wallet for this week. And today is August 22nd, 2021. Yeah, man, crypto's kicking butt right now. Another great week, another change. You know, to be honest with you guys, last week I felt like maybe we're going to have a correction, and we had a slight correction, but we're up again. So let's check out some of the holdings that we have. I have Cardano and I have stake. Let's go to the staking menu, and Cardano I have, it's the same amount, I guess. It's 9.6 ADA. Yeah, that's cool. All these other staked coins I'm earning just little by little bit, but I'm not going to claim it just yet. So here's a wallet. I'm going to do brief calculation of some of the coins that are not appearing here, and I'll come back. So the total value for Atomic Wallet portfolio is $17,120, and that is an ROI of 71%. That's pretty crazy. Did you guys think? And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually go to the exchange, and I am okay. So I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna sell 1,000 ADA and exchange it for Bitcoin right now. So here goes nothing. And it is a little bit nerve-wracking because I do have some ADA staked. So I'm hoping it'll automatically unstake 1,000 of the ADA so that the rest of the 2,000 whatever number of ADA will continue to be staked, and just 1,000 ADA will just go and purchase the BTC, Bitcoin. And I think this is the best way to go about my investment strategy right now with Atomic Wallet, because I feel like we've already made quite a decent return. So I want to kind of conserve some of the gains that we got, and yeah, just kind of play it a little safe, take some profit, take some gains, and put it back into BTC. And when BTC pumps and everything else goes down, I might exchange it back into some of these altcoins. So yeah, but Cardano's had such a meteoric rise lately. I feel like there needs to be some sort of correction, or it might continue going up. Right now it's worth almost $3. It might keep on going up to like $5 and whatever. But I purchased some Cardano in the last dip, I think for like $1.30 or so. So I'm pretty content with the amount of bags I'm holding of Cardano or ADA. So yeah, pretty okay with that. And if it goes up more, I might sell another 1,000. We'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Take care. God bless. See you soon. Bye.